Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to download and install HP Deskjet F2418 print scan copy printer into laptop or desktop. For this, first you have to connect your printer with power source and using USB cable connect your printer and laptop. After connecting the printer through USB cable, laptop and printer, you have to switch on the printer. Here I am going to switch on the printer. After switched on, I am going to see the laptop. Is there any feedback which is happening immediately? Once if you are connecting your printer very first time to your laptop or desktop, means right bottom of the screen you will be getting a message, display message, new device found. But I already connected this printer with this laptop, so that here I am not getting the message. Previously I got the message, now I am not getting the message. Anyway, I am going to check whether this printer which is connected with the laptop or not. So for this purpose, I am going to click the start button and then I am going to click devices and printers, right? Then I will have some list of printer. In this I am having HP Deskjet F2400 series, 2400 series. 00 series means 240102 up to 2499, which is applicable this same driver for F240102 10 20 30 40 60 70 80 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 up to 2499. The same driver which is applicable to all list of printers. So first, how to download and install into this laptop, I am going to explain in this video. For this, you have to connect your laptop either broadband or mobile data. By broadband and mobile data nowadays having the same speed, so no issue either you are having broadband or mobile data. So here I have connected my laptop through broadband. After that I am going to double click any one of the browser. Here I am having two browser. One is Firefox, another one is called Google Chrome. Here first I am going to double click the Firefox browser, which is taking me to the Google search engine. Google search engine. In this search engine you will be having, or here I am having search bar. There I am going to type download, DOWNLOAD, download driver, DRIVER, download driver, HP Deskjet, DESKJET, Deskjet F2418 for Windows 7 32 bit. So here I did type download driver HP Deskjet F2418 for Windows 7 32 bit. So in this laptop I am using operating system Windows 7 32 bit. If you are having Windows 7 64 bit, you have to specify like this. Windows 8 and Windows 8 32 bit or 64 bit you have to specify. Likewise Windows 8.1 32 bit or 64 bit you have to specify Windows 8.1 32 bit or Windows 8.1 64 bit. Likewise Windows 10 32 bit or 64 bit, Windows 11 64 bit. So in my laptop I am having Windows 7 32-bit operating system. So I did specify Windows 7 32-bit. So after that I am going to press enter, which is taking me to the screen. There I am getting first option, HP Deskjet F2418 all-in-one printer, software and driver. So here I am going to click first one, which is taking me to the another screen. There I will get what I have, the printer exact icon I will be having. I am going to have, see, which is searching now. Yeah, so this is the same printer I am having. This is the same printer I am having in my left side table, right? So here this printer only I am going to download and install. To find out the driver, just scroll down. So here driver product software, here I am having the option driver product installation software. So here I am going to click this drop down arrow. So just press. So I am not getting the corresponding driver. So what I am going to do, I am going to press back. Then I am going to try in some other option. See here I am going to select the third option, what is called HP Deskjet F2418 driver. See here I am going to click this. The first option I am not getting the exact driver. So I have selected the third option. There I am getting full future driver and software for Windows 8, 8.1, Windows 10 recommended. So here we are having Windows 7. Second option, which is giving us full future driver and software for Windows XP, Windows Vista and 7 EXE, right? For see here I am going to see this is for both 32-bit and 64-bit. So I am going to download this second one I am going to download. First one, which is meant for 8, 8.1 and 10. Second one, which is for XP, Vista and 7. So I am going to download. So after clicking this download, the file is getting download. HP Deskjet F2418 full future driver and software for Windows. So which is downloading. So totally this is having 133 MB. This is having 133 MB. This is having 133 MB. After downloading, so which has download got completed 133 MB. So if I move cursor towards that file, which will saying open, if you move out of the position, it will say completed. So now I am going to double click this file now, which is taking me to the installation screen. So do you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer? This means already there is some list of softwares available like Windows, MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Google Chrome, Firefox and Acrobat Reader, VLC Player. Likewise, there is some list of softwares available in this laptop. In this list, shall I add this as a new software, which is asking. So here I am going to give what is called a yes. I am going to give what is called a yes. After clicking yes, which is extracting the file. What do you mean by extraction here? If you download any driver software, that will be in terms of CAB file format. CAB file format means all file compressed into a single formatted file. So if extraction means that CAB file extracted into several hundreds of files, then it will get start to install the software, that is driver, right? So now which is extracting. So 90% of the extracting got complete. Then which is totally all extraction got complete, right? So now which is asking install. So here I am going to click this button, install button. So now trying to get installed. So HP Deskjet F2400 series, the F2400 series, installing Deskjet F2400 series, which is asking. So here I am going to click what is called next, right? In this screen I will be getting a checkbox. Here I am going to click this checkbox. After that I am going to click this option next, right? Now which is installing the driver, so that which is checking the system, that checking the system means whether this software is able to install in this laptop, in this operating system, is it possible or not, so that which is checking. After checking, which is having a compatibility with this laptop and in existing operating system, it will allow to get installed, so that only which is checking, now installing the software. Now which is configuring USB, that is connecting the laptop and printer through USB cable, So now which is displaying information, installing device driver software, see here. Now which is detecting the printer through USB cable, so that this image is indicating as which is detecting. So here, see here, your device is ready to use. That means the printer got installed into this laptop. So I am going to check this. So how to check? Click this start button, then click this devices and printers, then which will take us to the printer list. There in HP I am going to check. See here, finish. Then I am going to check this list. So this is the printer F4200, F2400 actually. So see here, so HP Deskjet F2400 series. So the green tick indicates this is the default printer. Even if you have more number of printers which is connected in your laptop, this green tick indicates first the given printout or given page directly will go and hit into this printer only. If right, there only it will get printed. So I am going to check. So keep cursor over there, click right button. So click right, keep like this, click right button. So you will be having what is called printer properties. Click the printer properties. You will be having test page, print test page. Click the test page. See in your printer, is there any feedback which is happening? The printer is getting blink, the power button is getting blink. That indicates the printer is activated. Which has taken paper, now which is coming out. Yeah, the printout is coming out. So the printer is connected through this USB cable with this laptop, which is working fine. This is the way to install the printer. Have a nice day. Welcome. We'll see some other problem with the solution in our next video. Have a nice day.